Let's talk about data types in Python. There are mainly four data types in Python that are integer, string, float, and boolean. There are many more data types like tuple, list, dictionaries, and set, which we are going to cover in our next section. But for now, let's check out these four data types. So let's understand all these four data types with an example. Consider any student in a college who has a name. Let's say my name is Vivek. Now his age is of 18. He is 18 years old. Then let's consider his marks is 94.8. He is a really brilliant student. And is he present today? And let's consider it as true. So as you can see, I have listed all the four different data types over here. The first is of string, which we have previously seen. The second is integer, which we also have previously seen. The third is marks, that is float, and the fourth is boolean. Now, how we categorize these different data types? Just consider it like data type is the type of value which we are going to provide to the variable. So this is a string which is a sequence of characters like yum, like y. So the sequence of character creates a string and which we have passed to this name variable. Hence name is a string variable. Sorry, name is a string data type. After that we have a variable name age which we have passed a value of integer, that is a number which doesn't have any fractional part. So it is a whole number and we have assigned it to a variable age. Hence age is of integer data type. Then let's consider 94.08. Now this number has a fractional part, that is 08 is the fractional part of this entire number. Hence it is called as float. So the data type of marks is float, and then here we have a value of true and which we have assigned to the variable is present. This is of type boolean. A boolean has only two values, either true or false, and we can use boolean anywhere to check a condition that either it is true or false. This is the only work of a boolean, nothing else. We will just set it either true or false. That's it. So let's print each and everything. Let's print name, after that age. Okay, let me just remove, yeah. After that marks, and then it's present. And let's run. As you can see, it has printed my name is Vivek, then the age, then the marks, and then it's present. Yeah, that's right. Now let's check out the type of the variables. What I mean by type means the data types of the variable. As we know that name is of string, age is of integer, marks is of float, is present is of boolean. So let's print them out. There is a command in Python called as type. Then we will surround the variable name of which we want to check the data type by parenthesis. Similarly for other. Okay, so let's check out their type, and as you can see we have first variable as name, so it is of string data type. This is the short form for string, str. Then the second variable has of type integer, which is 18, that's right. The 94.08 has of type float and then true, that is a boolean, and that's correct. It is of type boolean. So this is how data types are assigned, means it depends upon the value which we pass to the variable. So let's consider if I pass the value 18 to the variable name. Now the variable name is of type integer. As you can see, the variable name is of type integer. So it depends upon your type of value which you are going to assign to your variables. So this was the basic introduction to data types in Python. We will see the operations on data type in our next lecture. See you in the next one.